Today, we're diving into the world of menu creation with an amazing tool that simplifies designing beautiful and organized menus for restaurants, events, and more. The Best Menu Maker application for Android is designed to assist users in creating visually appealing and organized menus for various purposes, such as restaurants, cafes, events, or personal use. This application typically offers a user-friendly interface that allows users to customize their menus with various templates, fonts, colors, and images. Users can easily input their items, descriptions, and prices. And the app often provides features for categorizing items, adding special offers, or including images to enhance the menu's visual appeal. Additionally, some applications may support sharing options, allowing users to export their menus as PDFs or share them directly on social media or via messaging apps. Overall, this type of application streamlines the menu creation process, making it accessible for anyone, regardless of design experience. Thanks for watching. We hope you found this overview of the Best Menu Maker for Android helpful, and see you next time.